In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use the transitions pack here for DaVinci Resolve. To install the transitions, navigate to the download folder you received from us. And the first thing we want to do is copy the seamless transitions folder. Now, if you're a Mac user, the installation works exactly the same, but follow the path below. We'll go to our C drive, Program Data, Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve, Fusion, Templates. Then click on Edit, Transitions, then paste the Seamless Transitions folder here. And now the transitions are installed and we can open up DaVinci Resolve. To use the transitions in DaVinci Resolve, make sure you're on the Edit tab and go to Effects. Open up the toolbox, go to Video Transitions, and you'll see Seamless Transitions. You can click on the drop down and you'll see all the categories available. And as we go through the transitions, we can scrub over the transition and get a rough preview of what that transition will look like before we apply it. And before we import our footage, we suggest having some handles on our footage before we import a transition. This way, the transition will work perfectly. And when you're ready to import a transition, make sure your playhead is at the cut of 2 clips and then double click the transition. And now the transition will apply on top of our footage. We can adjust the timing of the transition and playing back. You'll see our transition is now longer. And we can also adjust the transition by selecting it and going to Inspector. You can change the duration here and the alignment. Another way to import a transition is to select your footage and right-click the transition and click Add to Selected Edit Points and Clips. This will add transitions to every cut on your clip, so the in, out, and even between 2 clips transitions will be applied. And the final way to import a transition is to drag and drop it at the cut or at the beginning or at the end of a shot. In the event that you don't have any handles on your clip and the transitions just won't import, you'll need to select your footage, right-click it, and click Add to Selected Edit Points. This pop-up window will appear and you click on Trim Clips, and this will apply the transition. Thank you for using our transitions pack for DaVinci Resolve, and always be creating.